In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Canva. By the end, you'll have the Canva Connect app installed in your Shopify store and ready to streamline your design workflow. Start by opening your Shopify admin in a web browser. From the left-hand menu, head to the Apps section. This is where you manage everything you add to your store. In the Apps view, look for the search area. Type Canva into the search field so Shopify can suggest relevant tools. If you see a prompt to search the Shopify App Store for Canva, click that to open the full App Store listing. In the Shopify App Store results, locate the app called Canva Connect. Open the app's page to review details like what it does, permissions, and recent updates. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify may ask you to confirm permissions and authorize the app. Review the prompts, then continue. You might see a second confirm screen inside your admin. Click Install again to finalize. A quick tip here. If you're using a storefront with restricted permissions, you may need an account with App Install access to proceed. Once installation completes, Shopify will take you into the Canva Connect app's welcome screen. Click the highlighted button to get started. You'll see a simple onboarding flow to tailor the integration to your store. In the first field, type the requested information, usually your brand or store details, so Canva Connect can personalize templates and recommendations. Next, select your industry. This helps the app surface relevant design styles, color ideas, and content types suited to your niche. After that, choose your preferred size for content. This commonly refers to the default format you plan to create first, such as product images, banners, or social posts. If you're prompted to choose size again, use this to add an additional format you create frequently. Picking sizes up front saves time later and keeps your creative assets consistent across your store. When everything looks good, click Finish. Shopify will save your preferences and complete the setup. From here, you can open Canva Connect anytime from the Apps section. As you design, you'll be able to bring Canva creations into your Shopify environment more smoothly, keeping your product pages, collections, and marketing visuals on brand. If something doesn't appear right away, refresh your Shopify admin and reopen the app. You can revisit the app's settings later to adjust industry or size choices as your needs change. That's it. Your Shopify and Canva experience is now connected and ready to help you design fast